Now, the next thing you're going to do, well, before you do anything, and I've already done it, is deselect the picture. And then you're going to go up here to Image Mode and click on Grayscale. That's going to make it black and white. And then you're going to go back up here to Image Mode and go back to RGB, which stands for red, green, blue. And notice the black and white image stays. This is very important that you go back there, because if you're not there, then the next thing's not going to work, and I'll show you why. Here we'll just go to Mode, Grayscale again. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go to Colors and Posterize. And then you're also going to go to Brightness and Contrast. You might have some problems if it's not in the RGB mode, so make sure it's there. So I'm going to go to Colors and Posterize. Now, this is an interesting little feature here. Notice that I'm set at 3 colors. Okay, if I go down to 2 colors, which is the minimum, it's straight black and white. So what this does, we're just going to move it up 3 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors, 6 colors, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the more you go, of course, the closer it gets back to being grayscale. So I'm just going to bring it down until we have an adequate number of colors here. This appears to be about right, but let me give it a couple more. That was 4. Let's go to 6. That gives us a little bit more. 7 or 8. Let's see. Let me see 7. I think 7 looked actually. I like 7. 7 looks pretty good. So what we got are a bunch of different regions here in different shades of gray, and there's only 7 of them, so we can sort of pick and choose the ones we want to use. So I am going to just click OK, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Colors, Brightness and Contrast, and we're going to make them more defined. Contrast makes darks darker and lights lighter. So you're going to see how that it's making the colors a lot more defined here. Okay, if I go this way, it muddies them, but if I go this way, it really makes them defined. Now, it really doesn't matter that we're doing this. We're not going to be dealing with grays. We're going to be dealing with colors in a few minutes. So that's basically what you're doing right there, and you just click OK.